Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix MacBook white black screen issue. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. Solution 1. Check external devices. Disconnect all external devices such as mouse, keyboard and USB drive and try restarting your Mac. Solution 2. Force restart your MacBook. For that, click the Apple logo at the top left corner of the menu. Then click on Shutdown in the drop-down menu. Again, click on Shutdown to confirm your action. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Press and hold the power button to turn on your MacBook. Solution 3. Boot into safe mode. For that, click the Apple logo at the top left corner of the menu. Then click on Shutdown in the drop-down menu. Again, click on Shutdown to confirm your action. After that, press and hold the Shift key until you can see login window and then release it. Solution 4. Reset System Management Controller. For that, click the Apple logo at the top left corner of the menu. Then click on Shutdown. Then again click on Shutdown to confirm your action. After that, press and hold Shift Control Option and the power button together for about 10 seconds. This can resolve power related issues including display problems. Solution 5. Turn up brightness. Sometimes black screen is simply due to the screen brightness being turned down accidentally. So press the brightness keys on your keyboard to increase the screen's brightness. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.